Had several severe and tornado warnings issued for the North Shore earlier in the day, but so far nothing confirmed. We've had no reports of severe weather, and that really line cluster of storms that had produced all the severe weather warnings has now started to really weaken as it pushes across Biloxi, moving eventually toward lower Alabama, but has been weakening ever since. Still has some light to moderate rain across southern Mississippi and on the North Shore, but our rainfall severity is done, but we're not done with the rainfall just yet. More spotty showers in nature from the metro area down south and along the river parishes, but there is still quite a bit more rain associated with this frontal system as it moves in, but that will be tapering off through the rest of the night and into the overnight, and maybe some spotty showers still with us tonight and into early, or much of the day I should say, tomorrow. As far as rainfall totals go, had more on the North Shore, and depending upon where you were, it was really more right along the Mississippi-Louisiana line. Macomb had just about an inch of rain, 9/10, and over an almost, or I should say, an inch and a half at Bogalusa, then 17/100ths at Slidell, only 12/100ths of an inch at Kenner, and not really any measurable rainfall much south of the city. Today's high got up to 82 degrees, well above the average and only 2 degrees away from our record, and the morning low was warm. It was a warm and muggy day, plenty of fuel for the severe storms that we did see develop during the day. Thankfully, at the moment, nothing verified though. Mostly cloudy skies outside, and this is now the low for the day as temperatures are coming down and will continue to drop right up to midnight and continue to fall overnight. Humidity though is high as dew points remain in the 60s, so it is a cooler but still muggy atmosphere. I'll take the cooler and muggy as opposed to warm and muggy. We're all in the 60s now as the front is still pushing south, and there is no question that a front has moved through. But where is the coldest of this air? Well, that has stayed well to our north, and I'm talking this was associated with a very cold air mass. Temperatures are getting into the single digits and teens up across the northern tier states, the Dakotas, northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, but that's about as far south as the real cold made it. That's going to start lifting back northward. So our cold front, yes, moved through it, helping our temperatures, but it's short-lived. Because the core of the cold stayed to our north, it usually means we can warm up very quickly, and we will start warming up through the rest of the week and into the start of the weekend. By Thursday, high temperatures, notice we start to get from the yellows to oranges. That's approaching 80 degrees once again, and probably similar temperatures for both Friday and early Saturday before another upper trough moves in. This one looking to be even colder and likely a longer duration of the cooler, more seasonal temperatures. So we'll gradually start warming up. A cool day tomorrow, back into the low 70s by Wednesday, then maybe near or in the 80s through early Saturday before temperatures drop behind another cold front. High temperatures Sunday and Monday look like they'll stay in the 50s, so a chillier air mass is on the way. Main reason is the upper trough that brought through the cold front is already lifting back to the north, so we're getting a westerly flow in the upper atmosphere. In other words, there is no support to keep pushing the front farther south. So we're left with the lingering rainfall, lingering cloud cover, and a slight drop in temperatures. Got us out of the 80s and more seasonal temperatures as we get into the day tomorrow. But this frontal boundary really is just going to dissipate near the area, and the clouds with some spotty showers will stay with us. Quick warming trend and turning more humid as we get toward the end of the week and start of the weekend. So some lingering rain tonight, but turning much cooler, and overnight lows will be dropping into the 40s and 50s, mainly 50s, some upper 40s possible on the North Shore. Stray showers tomorrow, mostly cloudy and a high of only 61 degrees. Then we're back into the low 70s and muggy. Dew points upper 60s to lower 70s for Thursday, Friday. So we're back to that more spring-like feel. Again, these temperatures in April, great. December, I don't like it. Kind of disrespectful. Temperatures falling through the day on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We return to more of a December chill.